Thank you very much. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, monsieur. Ah, Liam Tigre. OK, allez. Tout le monde, allez, reste. Allez, allez, tout de suite, allez. En place. Good boy, sit down there. Tournez, there's a good boy. There you go, Peter, there's a good boy. Engelbert, tournez, there's a good boy. Harry on the top. Harry, so turn around. Right, Syria, up, fine, you made it. Come on, that's fun. Thank you very much. Hey, sur l'oiseau, compliment. Encore compliment. Grand applaudissement, compliment. Come on, up. Je donne pas quand je suis ici. OK, sur l'oiseau, avec un nom, un moment. Come on, Peter, ici, Peter, allez, Peter de Italia. OK, come on, Harold boy, good boy, Harold de Allemagne, good boy, Harold. Maurice de Paris. Maurice, merci beaucoup. Teddy. Ça c'est de Teddy. Oh, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Allez, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Excusez-moi. Bam. Allez, hop. Ouais, merci. Attention. Sit. Oh, Attention, monsieur. Excusez-moi. OK, reste. C'est très bien. Hop, voilà. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Sit down. Teddy, there's a good boy. No problems. Teddy, ici, Teddy. Merci beaucoup, Teddy. Ça, c'est Teddy de Angleterre, en place, good boy. Sit down, there's a good boy, sit still. Wait a minute. My mates. Peter, asseyez-vous. No, Peter. Harold, quickly, Harold. Where's he? No, pas maintenant, en place. OK, c'est ça. Non, pas maintenant, restez là. Non, pas maintenant, restez là. OK, Peter, restez là. OK, go. There's a good boy. Up, fine, good boy. Get it going. That's up, yeah, good boy. Allez, good boy. Good boy. Allez, good boy, one more. Très bien. Un, deux, et trois, voilà. Thank you very much indeed. Merci beaucoup. Now, et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs, non, ça c'est le fini, Jean-Claude. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Harold. Non, ça suffit, hein. Sit down. Non, maman, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? En place, sit down. Non, Jean-Claude, ça c'est fini. Freddy, excusez-moi. Non. Tournez. That's what, turn around, son. C'est très bien. Applaudissements, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Je suis le papa. Yeah, well, je suis le chef de peruche. Jean-Claude, allez. Jean-Claude de Paris. Jean-Claude, hop, fine. Hop, great stuff. Compliment. Merci beaucoup. À place. Harry. Ici, Harry. Harry, tout de suite. Harry, hop, pull, hop, good hand. Hop, pull, hop, good. Pull, hop, voilà. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Vous êtes le meilleur public nous avons ce soir. C'est bien. Wait a minute. Come on. Maurice, s'il vous plaît. Tout de suite, Maurice. Peter. Good boy, sit. Stable, Peter. Sit still. Come on. Harry. Teddy. Rest là. Here we go, this is right. Up, Maurice. Up, one, good. That's fine, good boy. Up, fine, up. Voila. Yeah. Down. Good boy. Good boy, 20, 73. Let's see. Pete, you realize you're living today. I'm happy to say in the good old bad old days. Maurice, embrasse-moi. Tu encore manger de l'ail. The old bad old days. Come on, Sam. Tout le monde, applaudissements. Papa, way back when, whoa, I'd rather stay right here with the cold days and go through that. Sing me out, you win. You lose or you win in the good old bad. Hey, that's fine. Hey, to the way. Anyway, good boy. We're living on time. Allez, tout de suite, monsieur, allez. Allez, marchez, allez, marchez. Allez, keep up here. One. There's a Maurice going. Up one. Up. Yeah. I'm happy to sit in the good old bad old days. Allez, Maurice. Allez, go on, allez. Come on, Freddie, up. Freddie. There's a good boy. Sit down. Sit out the ladder. Keep going. C'est très bien. Merci beaucoup. Now, my friends, hey, Boris, c'est fini. Come a second. Ici, en place. Hey! Freddie, hop. Allez, en place. Non, non. Hey, Freddie. Ça suffit, allez. Allez, en place. See that? No, no. Come here, son. There's a good boy. Come on. Quickly. Ah, I got you this time. No. Well, one touch. Up. Prancer, up one. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Nevertheless, I'm going to gotta confess about the good old bad old day. Living today, I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old day. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny. Freddie Halfpenny, goed. Wat de soir. C'est le camion, hein, la voiture. Madame et monsieur, et maintenant, madame et monsieur, c'est fou, hein? C'est stupid. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny, s'il vous plaît. Faites t'asseoir. Sit on the car. What's for the guy? Freddie Halfpenny, that's right, sit. No. Okay, ça suffit, hein? Ça suffit, hein? Make them laugh. Look, quand je dis sit on the car, you sit on. Hi! Let's get some. Everybody, come on. Come on, Messina, come on. Hey. Make them laugh. Peter. Allez, Peter, Renee, here comes the shit. Head it. Come on. Up, right, go! Right, careful. That's one. Up, high. Yeah. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, va t'asseoir, c'est la voix, ok? Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, allons, let's go. Allez, go quick. C'est bien. Hop.